AvPro is proud to present this GULFSTREAM G550, serial number 5605. The G550 is an ultra-long-range business jet that set a new benchmark in aviation design, comfort, technology, and speed. For its superb range, best-in-class cockpit, advanced technology, top-rated customer support, and many more outstanding achievements, the G550 was honored with the Robert J. Collier Trophy, the most prestigious award in aviation. Serial number 5605 features a forward galley with forward crew rest, seating 14 passengers in a forward 4-place club, mid 4-place conference group opposite a credenza, and an aft 4-place divan opposite a 2-place club, complemented by forward crew and aft passenger lavatories. Serial number 5605 is the latest serial number available worldwide. It's had one U.S. corporate owner since new and features engines enrolled on Rolls-Royce Corporate Care, Avionics on Honeywell MSP, and GoGo L5 AVANCE 4G domestic Wi-Fi. The GULFSTREAM G550, serial number 5605, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating over 30 years of excellence.